Hi there, my name is Kelly, and today I'm going to be making a fruit smoothie. This is what I have every morning for breakfast, a different variation, different fruits. I'm getting ready to make this one for my daughter because she actually has a very unhealthy diet and she doesn't feel good, and the reason is because she doesn't eat healthy. So anyway, I'm going to make a smoothie for her right now, and this is the basics. It's super simple, it's delicious, so you should try it. And I have some different strawberries, mangoes, and blueberries, all organic from Whole Foods, and 2 bananas, and these are not frozen. I don't really add ice to my smoothies because I actually don't like them overly icy. I like mine to be a little bit more creamy, so sometimes I put a little bit more banana, and I like mine a little bit more, having more liquid to it. I just feel like it's more hydrating. So anyway, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put, I kind of eyeball how much I put in it, but I usually start off with the blueberries, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some blueberries in here. I just kind of eyeball it and kind of cover the bottom. Then, after that, I'm gonna add some strawberries, and probably about that many. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of mango. Sometimes I use pineapple, mango, whatever you like. I think I'll throw like one more in there. So it ends up being around a good cupful. And then I add my bananas. And then after that, I will be adding my filtered water. So I'm going to get that right now. Here comes the water. Oh, the other thing I was going to throw in there, which you can actually add greens, spinach to this. I actually eat a ton of greens all day long, so I like to actually save my greens for my salad. So I'm not going to add any greens to this one. However, I probably should because I'm making it for my daughter. So I'm just going to add a little bit of chia seeds. Sometimes I add a little bit of flax, a little bit of chia to the smoothie. That helps. So I think I am going to grab some greens real quick since my daughter's going to be drinking it and she needs to get some spinach in her. So hold on one sec. So I am back with a handful of spinach that I'm going to just throw in here. Spinach is like a superfood. It's got tons of vitamins and minerals in it, antioxidants. It's great for your skin. If you're wanting to improve your skin, you want to eat spinach. It's a good source of calcium. It's a good source of iron. And it's something that everybody should eat like every day. So I'm going to add that in there. And then we're going to pour some water. I'm probably going to need a little bit more water than that because I have a little bit extra stuff in there. And I'll probably do just even a little bit more. My water's coming out a little bit slow because I need to refill my water filter. My blender is just a regular blender from Walmart. It's not a high-powered blender, and this works great for smoothies. I love it. It was only like $20, so you can't beat that. So look how perfect this is. You can also add ice if you want it a little bit more slushy. I don't really like them that slushy, so this is like perfect. So it's the perfect amount, looks great, and get rid of some of that water. Then I try to recycle the bottles, the jars that like for my sauce and different things that I buy. So then I just pour it right in one of these cups and stick in a reusable straw because it's better for the environment, and it's perfect. So you should give this a try. It's an easy recipe and it turns out delicious. Bye.